just amazing. It's just can't believe it is Valentine now at the moment, and a lot of people been, you know what I mean, celebrating, start to do stuff together, start to do a lot of stuff. But anyway, my Valentine thing, you know, always Chef Ricardo always do something at ear time, is to show the fans them all you can do things at home to make your loved one surprise. All right. Anyway, today, as you can see, I have a glass right here. I got some strawberry and I have some blended strawberry. This is some blended strawberry which I blended up before, and this is in a glass. Next thing, I got some fresh cream which I have some whipped cream, double whipped cream, which I'm already whipped up, so it's ready and done. I have some chocolate which I'm also gonna use with it same way. The type of cream which I did use is this type, and I can see this one, you can get it into any local shop, supermarket to buy. It's an ordinary cream. All I did is just whisk it up and get the flavor from it. So basically what we want to do is to show you what you can do at home this Valentine to surprise someone. I don't know who you want to surprise, but a lot of people have so many things want to do for this Valentine. But Chef Ricardo always giving you guys ideas, and hopefully you will use the idea and surprise someone at home. So hopefully this Valentine you guys will have a marvelous time and also a wonderful time. So basically we want to show you what you can do at home this Valentine. All right. Nice and lovely. So what we're gonna do now is, first thing is to put a little bit of the blended strawberry in the bottom of the glass. And second thing, you're gonna put some cream, fresh cream around it, just like this. As you can see. Second thing, we're gonna use some chocolate and get the chocolate around it also. You can melt the chocolate if you do like. Because we all know that the chocolate do give it a lovely flavor also. A little bit more of the and then also some have a few scoop of ice cream which you want to use also in it, just to give it a nice lovely flavor on top of it like this. So hopefully you guys will love this recipe. It's a nice 2 scoops of ice cream will be fine. Just to get it right. We don't want to use too much of the ice cream to kill it. But as you can see, exactly what I'm doing right there at the moment, guys. I know you can see. But I know you guys gonna enjoy this one. So then we're gonna simple wow. too much of the cream. A little bit too much cream on top of it, but as you can see, we can always take off a little bit of the cream also on top of it. Nice and lovely. And a simple, just dip a little bit of strawberry on top. Also, you don't have to put any more of the strawberry, but you want to see the strawberry inside of it. As you can see, that looking so lovely and nice, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this one for Valentine. It's just something really different, you know. You need to do something to make the fans happy. So hopefully you will like that one. Is a strawberry ice cream and also some chocolate on top of it. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show.